Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how Selenium controls the browser itself, like opening the pages, moving back, moving forward, and refreshing the page exactly like a real user. So we will understand these methods: driver.get, driver.navigate to, driver.navigate.back, driver.navigate.forward, and driver.navigate.refresh. And most importantly, the real difference between get and navigate to, right? A very common interview question. So many beginners use get and navigate.to randomly. Yes, both open a URL, but Selenium did not create two methods for no reason. So interviewers often ask difference between driver.get and driver.navigate.to. So if you answer both open a page, that is incomplete. So today you will understand when to use get, when to use navigate, and how professionals write automation code. So let's start with the navigation methods. So Selenium, WebDriver, navigation methods. Okay, let's create a main method, and then again I will create a driver instance, new Chrome driver. Okay, and now if we use driver.get, so we have to pass the URL. So let's say google.com. I will pass this google.com here. Okay, and the URL should start from HTTPS. Okay, so should not start in randomly, it should start from HTTPS. Okay, so when we write this, we are telling Selenium open this page and wait until it fully loads. That's it. So no navigation logic, no browser movement, just load the page. So this is why Git belongs directly to the WebDriver interface. In real projects, Git is used at the start of the test, usually to open a login page. Simple, clean, and clear. Okay. Now driver.navigate.to. Okay, so let's try one more. Driver.navigate.to. Okay, and now you see it can take as a URL. Okay, and also it can take a string URL. Okay, so let's start with the string URL first, and then this time I will simply use, let's say, Bing. Okay, let's copy this Bing page. Okay, and then I will pass it to here. Okay, so at first this looks the same, it opens the page. Okay, so why does Selenium provide these two methods, right? So because navigate represents the browser navigation flow, and it returns a navigation controller that allows to back, forward, and refresh methods. Okay, so when you use navigate, you are telling Selenium I'm controlling browser movements like a real user. Okay, so let's say now I have opened Bing here, right? So if you want to go back, you say click to go back, right? Just go back, it will go to this page. Again, if you go back, it will go to the earlier page, right? If you forward it, just click on forward button here, you see click to go forward, right? Again, if you do that, it will go to the Bing page, right? If you want to refresh it, what you can do is you can simply click on the reload page, right? So it will reload the existing page, right? So this we want to do with the Selenium code, right? So now the important truth is there is a difference between get and navigate.to. Okay, so both opens URL, both wait for page load. Internally, get is just a wrapper around navigate.to. Okay, so performance wise, no difference in between get and navigate.to, but the real difference is the intent. Get is basically just a simple page load, whereas the navigate is a browser navigation control. So if we are using this navigate, we can go backward, go forward, and refresh the page. Okay, yeah, so now let's write a simple code. Okay, so now we have added get, and then navigate, right? Similarly, we can, if you want to go back again, you can simply write driver.navigate back. Okay, it will simply go to the earlier page. So just for simplicity, what we can do is we can just print the title of the page. Okay, so that it will be current page title is. Okay, and then let's add some space, and then I will simply use the method which we have already discussed in our earlier lecture, that is get title. Okay, similarly I can simply just copy paste this below this line. Okay, and then once we are going back again, just paste, print that particular title. Okay, and now I will again go forward. Okay, so use forward, and then again I will print the title of the current page, and then at last we will try to refresh the page. Okay, driver.navigate refresh, and again with the refresh it will keep the same title, so that doesn't matter. Okay, so this is how we can use navigate methods. Okay, so let me run this program. Run. See, the browser is loaded. It has opened Google, and then it has navigated to bing.com. Okay, now it has gone back, and then it has gone forward, and then it has refreshed the page. Okay, so this is how the navigation works. So if you see the first, like when we open the URL with the get method, it has printed the title as the title is Google, the first one. Okay, and then it has navigated to bing.com, and then it has printed the title as Microsoft Bing. Then it has again go back, right? And then again it is printing Google, again forward it is Bing, and then on the Bing page we have refreshed the page. So at that time it has simply refreshed the particular page. Okay, so this is how the navigation methods works. Okay, so if you want to learn such Selenium concepts, please like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.